Alright, so I've been working on this little smoker for Becky, and I wanted to show you all how it worked. I think it came out pretty nice. It's definitely more effort than I ever put into any other smoker. So we have the Angry Robot Smoker. She requested eyes, so we got some eyes on there. But the chrome header or stainless header pipes on the sides, those are just handles. They don't actually function. If you look here at the door stop, it's beard powered, and the door is a cam lock. And I left room to get a full-size key in and out, so you can load it easily. It's also going to be hard to see, but you can dump your ashes from the outside and control your draft. It says go. I was standing the other way when I wrote it. Anyway, it does have a functioning stack on the top. That was Zeppelin. He helped me build this to begin with. And we like the blue patina. It was originally a well tank, pressure tank. This is a functioning draft here on the back. I wanted to make sure we got enough air in if it got full of ash. So that too is a pair of headers I cut up. I've got an alignment pin here on the top. And then you can also pick the lid up and rotate it. And it sits back on them stops, and it leaves an air gap if you need to get your heat up. You can vent it pretty good. When you pull the lid off, it's Team Bearded Phoenix. We're kind of a big deal. And then this pulls out. You got your coal bed down there, and your ash dump from the outside. And it will have a fluid pan to catch drippings, and also to help keep the meat moist, because it's going to be a pretty direct heat. Anyway, it's my little smoker. Soon to be Becky's little smoker. Have a good evening.